Today I am working on a little project that I started a week or so ago, and I'm making a J. Bates pipe vise for a workbench. I went to Harbor Freight and picked up myself some pipe clamps, the inexpensive ones. You don't need a high dollar one, and I picked up enough for 2 clamps, and I got some pipe. Actually, I had it at home here. Okay, what I'm going to do next is drill out the back part of the pipes. Okay, that one's done, so I'm going to do the next one. So there's the other one, and I'm laminating the jaws together out of plywood and pine. Well, I'm going to glue up, I decided to make my jaws of my vise 8-inch width, 16 inches long. And so I'm going to glue up, I have 1 pine board as a jaw for right now, and I'm going to use 2 pieces of plywood as backer bracing. But I'm going to glue it all together and to make a very strong jaw. What I just got done doing was just running a slanted chamfer all the way around the outside of the front part of the vise. Okay, what I'm going to do now is locate the pipes. Now, J. Bates says that we should have a little bit of oblong in the front vise part here to allow movement for a little bit of racking so that they flow better. So what I'm going to do first is drill out this and then go from there. Okay, what I'm going to attempt to do now is drill these out. what I'm going to do now is just mark these holes in the lower pieces, just so that I know where they're at. Well, there it is. It's all finished. All I got to do now is get it mounted to a bench. A J. Bates pipe vise. My version. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe.